Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hira is here, your computer science teacher, and today is our second lecture of week 6 from the chapter 1, Fundamentals of Computer. Before we start our today's lecture, we must recap the previous lesson in which we discussed the system unit and motherboard. System unit is basically the main part of the computer that include different parts like motherboard, power supply and drive etc. And inside the computer casing, all the input and output devices of the computer are connected to the system unit through the ports. And the motherboard basically is the main circuit board inside the system unit and contain the microprocessor, main memory, expansion cards and IC chips connected to with other electronic components of the computer system. So here start our today's lecture. Our first topic is microprocessor. Microprocessor basically is the main chip on the motherboard that control all the activities of the computer system. It is also known as the operating system or work as an operating system that manage or control overall the activities performed by the computers from start to shutting down the computer system. It is also known as central processing unit like CPU. It contains the control unit, ALU and register, and in the diagram you can also see that the microprocessor consists of three parts: ALU, control unit, register array, and it receives the input from input devices, then microprocessor process it in the different units, ALU, control unit or register array, and then display the result on the output devices or store in the memory units. ALU is the part of computer that perform all the calculation and comparison. Like in the calculation it perform different arithmetic operations, and the comparison performs the different logical operation. It consists of two units, arithmetic units and logic units. And the arithmetic unit perform all the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division etc. For example, a plus b, it perform the operation of addition, or a minus b perform the operation of subtraction, and similarly division or multiplication. And the logical units perform the logical operation which include the comparison of number like a greater than b, a smaller than b, and similarly different a less than is equal to b, or compare different conditions. Here is our today's lecture in which we discuss the microprocessor and ALU. The assignment of this lecture is learn the microprocessor and ALU. So students, if you have any question or query, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.